Hi everybody. Well, reading music in musical theater is extremely, extremely important. I remember years ago, I actually tried out to be in a choir, and I didn't get in because of one simple reason: I didn't know how to read music. And when you audition, sometimes they're going to make you sing your voice part. I happen to be an alto. The voice parts are bass, baritone, alto, mezzo soprano, and of course soprano. First soprano is the highest you can go. Second soprano is the low soprano. Alto 1 is the high alto. Alto 2 is the low alto, and it goes on and on and on. Well, music consists of like 5 lines and 4 spaces. Okay, one is called the staff. The staff has 5 actual lines to it. Okay, all right, and now the treble clef are 2 main clefs. But familiarize yourself with the treble clef. The treble clef has the ornamental of letter G cleft on the far left side. You look at that when you look at your sheet music. The G swoop enters. It's like it's almost like a G-shaped thing. Okay, and it's very important to know these different notes because there's flats. There's the bass clef on the other hand is reading 2 bass clefs dots with the letter F online. It's very confusing. I know that, folks. It's not easy to learn how to do this, but I had to study reading music to get myself into musical theater because that was the one thing they always ask you: do you read music? And yes, it's almost a language of its own. Now the bass clef goes G, B, D, F, A. Remember that, okay? It's very important to remember. Now the notes are placed on the staff to tell us which note letter is to play on each instrument or when you sing, obviously, and how to play it. It can go for instruments as well as singing yourself. Okay? All right. Now, each note has a note head. It's filled with black or open white. These note heads are on the staff, either on a line or on a space. It determines what note you will actually be singing. All right, whether you sing high soprano, or bass, it's extremely important to know how to read it and how important notes are in each music selection that you choose to sing. Dots and ties. There's another way to extend the length of a note. A dot after the note heads, for example, adds another half down the note's duration. So a half note with a dot with an equal half note and quarter note into a quarter note with dot equals a quarter plus an eighth note. A tie may be used to extend the note to 2 notes tied together. So, it goes on and on and on how important it is to read music. If you don't read music, you try out for a musical and the director says, I need you to sing, let's say, I need you to sing the alto part. And this happened to me many years ago. I was trying out for a choir, and all of a sudden the director said, Debbie, I need you to sing My Country 'Tis of Me alto section. Oh my gosh. I didn't make it because I did not know how to read the music. So that's why it's so important, folks, to learn how to read music when you do musical theater. It's very important because without you knowing how to read music, if he asks you to sing a certain section, you don't know, you're not going to get it. It's that simple. And that's what happened to me when I tried out for a choir. I don't want to say the name of the choir. They're fantastic. They're still around. We're going to get to choirs probably in the next tape. But please, folks, subscribe to Deborah Wade Theater. Have a great day.